And the Delhi High Court has now listed the matter for hearing regarding ED's challenge of Kejriwal's bail order, of the trial court order. The hearing is expected to begin in some time. So as we told you here on India Today, the matter will be taken up by the Delhi High Court today itself. We'll have to see whether the Delhi High Court chooses to stay the trial court order or goes ahead and sides with the trial court, in which case Arvind Kejriwal will get bail. But the big breaking news that's coming in right now is that the Delhi High Court is going to take up the ED plea against Kejriwal's bail today itself. Remember, the High Court made it clear that there is a stay at this point of the bail order. So there can be no movement with regards to the formalities for Arvind Kejriwal's release. So it's all hinging upon really what the High Court does in this matter and what they have to say. Delhi High Court will be taking up this matter shortly. It's been listed now. Remember that there was a brief hearing that took place this morning where the Enforcement Directorate in the Delhi High Court essentially argued that they haven't been heard in the matter in the trial court, that they weren't given enough time to argue their case, and that's why they've approached the High Court. But now, with the hearing expected to kick off shortly, it will be on the ED to kind of put forward a case, and that too without the order from the trial court with them. It'll be interesting to see how really they manage to build up a case challenging the order that's been passed by the trial court allowing bail for Arvind Kejriwal. The onus will be on the ED essentially here to prove their case. Srishti Oja is joining us with more details on this. Srishti, as you've been telling us, the Delhi High Court has listed the matter. It will be heard today. Any details of exactly when the hearing will begin?
Well, yes, Akshata, the matter has finally officially been listed before the Delhi High Court. As my colleague Anu Sharda has reported from Delhi High Court, that the matter will be taken up any time now, considering the formalities that had to be completed are now done. The court had in the morning asked the Enforcement Directorate to make sure that the matter is filed and it gets listed officially in the list of cases that the court is supposed to hear. The case has been listed as item number 41 before bench of Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain, as we can see, and will be taken any time soon. So definitely the hearing is going to happen before Delhi High Court. Now what we need to see is what aspect of the matter will the High Court focus on. Will the High Court start hearing detailed arguments with regard to Enforcement Directorate's plea challenging Arvind Kejriwal's bail, or will the High Court only focus on the aspect of stay as of now? Because a detailed hearing, if we talk about a detailed hearing, that tends to take a lot of time. One day will definitely not be enough for the High Court to conclude arguments on such an important matter, especially when the Enforcement Directorate had in fact argued today and told High Court that they were not granted enough time to argue before Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. That's one of the claims which have been made by Enforcement Directorate, saying that the trial court which granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal curtailed the arguments of the public prosecutor. Now a copy of the order is out, the matter is listed, and all eyes will be on the High Court to see and decide whether it will, because as of now, as we know, there's a temporary setback as far as a stay on Arvind Kejriwal's bail is concerned. Will the High Court make that order permanent in the sense that will the High Court say that the stay will operate till the time it concludes the hearing on ED's petition, or will the court decide to continue with the hearing but lift the stay and enable Arvind Kejriwal to get out of Tihar jail? Remember, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers had very strongly opposed such an objection and even Enforcement Directorate's plea and request for a stay, saying that what is the issue if Arvind Kejriwal gets out of jail? Earlier also, when he was granted interim bail by the Supreme Court, he had surrendered before the court as he was directed and had
followed. So those are the arguments so far in the Delhi High Court. We'll see what plays out now in the coming hours. Thanks very much, Srishti, for joining us with all of those details.